Welcome to the Palatial, a landmark of luxury living by Hero Homes. Hi everyone, I am Pranjal from Golden Bricks and today I am going to show you the best apartments you have ever seen. With European vibes, a very nice theme with aesthetic and vintage decor. So come with me and I'll be showing you the best apartments you have ever seen. ये सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, ये है यूरोपियन लाइफस्टाइल इंस्पायर्ड अपार्टमेंट्स जस्ट फॉर यू. Bang on the Dwarka Expressway, located in the Sector 104 Gurgaon. This apartment land parcel is situated in 110 acres with 5 towers, very luxury and 4 towers are already going. आज हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं 4 BHK plus SPR का एक modern apartment with a very beautiful European architecture vibes and the vintage vibes. Look at the apartment, it's giving you a 5-star feel. And if we take the entrance from the main entrance, so this is the main entrance. As we enter, this is the long lobby, you will get it. And if we start walking, this is the dining area. You will be getting very beautiful with a European vibe, and this is the living area. So if we talk about the rooms, there are 2 master bedrooms and they are very comfortable and very large in size. Let's go and explore the master bedroom of this apartment. आइए, ये है आपका master bedroom of Hero Homes with a very European white theme. This apartment is giving you a feel just like the king of the house. And look at the master bedroom. So this is the first master bedroom I was talking about. Let me take you to the second master bedroom of this beautiful apartment. This is the grand master bedroom. ये है आपका सबसे अच्छा master bedroom. अगर आप देखेंगे, look at the space. और spacing के साथ साथ आपको मिलती है perfect sunlight with glass windows and the balcony. अगर हम इसके washroom की बात करते हैं, come on, let me show you. It gives you a walk-in closet that's very spacious and it gives you a very luxurious washroom. You have seen the master bedroom and the grand master bedroom. Now I'll be showing you the modular kitchen. ये है आपकी modular kitchen with all amenities and the comfort you need. आपको क्या चाहिए? Comfort, spacing, एक vibe. Kitchen में एक vibe होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है and this is the kitchen you are waiting for. इस kitchen के साथ साथ आपको मिलता है एक beautiful view with very greenery and environment. किचन के बिल्कुल साइड में आपको मिलता है एक सर्विस अपार्टमेंट. दिस इज द SPR. दिस इज फॉर योर सर्वेंट. परफेक्ट वॉशरूम मिलता है एंड दिस इज द रूम फॉर योर सर्वेंट्स. मास्टर बेडरूम, ग्रैंड मास्टर बेडरूम एंड योर किचन. We came into the third bedroom. This is the kids room for your children. Now we are coming to the 4th bedroom. After master bedroom, grand master bedroom and kids room, and this is your guest room. Look at the view. So अगर हम बात करते हैं यहाँ की connectivity की, so it's just 15 minutes away from the airport and the metro stations are just nearby and a great connectivity access to the Dwarka Expressway. Double height entrance lobby, premium Italian marble flooring और vintage chandelier एक grandeur का touch देता है. यहाँ का क्लब हाउस भी किसी 5-star होटल से कम नहीं. 55 square feet का exclusive club house and world class amenities जिसमें luxury lawns में gym spa और entertainment zones शामिल हैं. So if we talk about the pricing first, if you prefer 3 BHK plus SPR, it's just 4.86 CR onwards. And if you prefer 4 BHK plus SPR, it's 5.8 CR onwards. Yes, you heard it right. And the best part is you can get the fully furnished apartment for you. You have different zones for that. We have comfort, we have premium, we have luxury, and we have ultra luxury as you prefer, and the prices are vary from each other. So if you want to know details about this apartment and if you want to book this apartment for you and your family, you can connect with us on the given number below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and comment down below Hero Homes for more details.